Okay, everybody, we're gonna do OEM versus Denali horn sound test. I've got two audio recorders set up to get a better representation of what the sound is. I have a Zoom H1N over here and a Zoom H5. Both of them are using the built-in microphones. I've got the wind covers on there to prevent all the wind noise. I've calibrated the sound levels on them to be up at just about the 0 dB mark under the horn blast, so they don't clip out. And I've placed them exactly 1 meter back from the horn. So if I go from the edge of the horn here to the front of the microphone, we're at exactly 100 centimeters or 1 meter. Yep, there we are. So that's standard distance for SPL tests. I don't have a sound pressure meter, but this is pretty good to capture the sound of the audio. I know my neighbors are going to love me for this. So here we go. This is the OEM horn, and then I'm going to swap the Denali back into the bike. I hope all my neighbors are at work. They're just going to love me. Okay. Let's pull the leads off of this guy. Get on there. Alright, out with the old, in with the new. Get on there. Too far. Who's that down in there? Got to get the bracket back to where it's hanging down at about 45 degrees. There we are. That lowers it enough to clear the hood. And we don't want it resting quite on the battery. That's about right. Okay, she's in there. She's not going to come back out. Move on her own anyway. Okay, good placement. Hook up the leads again. Everything's clear, no interference. Put the hood back. Oop, missed one. Always seem to get one side or the other. That's it. Okay, so now this is with the Denali Mini Sound Bomb. Big difference. Best 30 bucks you could spend on this bike to give you some more road presence. The factory horn is just so dinky and wimpy that traffic either can't hear you or they just don't care. This makes them wake up a little bit, and I've had to use it a couple times in traffic. When I hit it, you'll see drivers jerk the wheel back into their lane. They think it's a much larger vehicle, so good stuff. Very worthwhile upgrade. Have a good day, everybody.